Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I wanted to do something a little different, and I'm bringing you guys a kind of day to night type of makeup look. This is a type of look that I was inspired by this outfit, and I think it's like a good day nighttime look, you know, for like any event, and I think it's really simple to do. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this, stay tuned and stick until the end of the video. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video before the video starts. Anyways, let's get into this video. So guys, today we are starting a little different. My makeup was already done because I had done a lot that day. And yeah, I'm just going to focus on the eyes. So first of all, I'm going to take the Jackie Aina palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and if you haven't gotten your hands on this collab, you really need to, because the colors are amazing. But anyways, I'm gonna start off with ginger, and of course I'm just gonna blend that in and kind of use that as a transition color. Next, I'm going to move on and use the color edges, and I'm just going to focus that and use that to kind of deepen my crease and my outer eye area. And yeah, I'm just going to blend that in, of course, and make sure everything is blended seamlessly, you know. We don't want any harsh lines. We want this to look as natural as possible. So next I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the inner corner of my eyes, and I had already put a bit of highlighter because, like I said, I had this makeup during the day, but I'm gonna go in with the color Trust Issues and just focus that on my eyes. And guys, this color came out more like golden, and that's not really what I was going for, but you'll see a little later I'm gonna go ahead and fix it and to get the desired color that I want. Now it's time to add a little bit of color. I'm gonna go in that color Wiggalese, and that color I'm gonna use it and focus it more on the middle portion of my eye, because like I said, I focused on the inner eye before, and now it's gonna be on the basically on the middle portion of my eye, just so that I have kind of like an ombre effect. And yeah, you just want to make sure everything is blended together, and once again, there's no harsh lines. So as I mentioned, I wanted it to be a little more like whitish and less gold, so I went in with my Carli Bybel palette, and I used that same shade I normally use in the inner portion of my eyes, in like my inner tear ducts, and I just added that on top of the gold. And guys, this like worked perfectly. Like, it gave me the effect that I wanted. So I'm gonna blend everything in once again, and then I'm gonna pop off camera and put some eyeliner real quick. This eyeliner is from NICKAK. And then after putting my eyeliner and my lashes from Ardell, I'm gonna go ahead and basically start lining my lips. and to do so, I'm lining my lips using my concealer color from the ABH Contour Cream Kit. And I want to say, I believe this shade is chocolate, but it will be in the description down below because I forgot if that's the actual shade. But yeah, basically I use that shade to line my lips because I like that brown and that's the effect I'm going for. So I thought a red lip would look good with this. So using my ABH palette, lip palette, the volume 1, I'm gonna go in the color Primary 3 and just basically add that on top of the brown and make sure it's like blended once again because I don't want any harsh lines. And then once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Hard Candy matte setting spray and basically just wait for that to dry. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed how I created this simple event or evening type of look, and it was really simple. I brought you guys a different type of makeup tutorial, you know. It was more focused on the eyes and I really like how it turned out. And yeah, this Jackie Aina palette, guys, is like it's great. Like if you haven't purchased it, make sure you do because you'll really enjoy it, and there's like colors for everyone in there. And yeah, I really just like this look. I love how it turned out, and if you guys liked it too, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you guys decide to recreate it, make sure you tag me on social media, and if you're not following me, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My name's @AisaMwamba, so it's very easy to find me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more, of course, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Up in the Ram Town.